What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. You're with Goggles and you are watching Goggles Sneaker Reviews. And if you guys are new around here, please consider subscribing and smashing that like. And also for sneaker news, sneaker updates, and sneaker rumors, I always post that information on my Instagram at Goggles Reviews. And for today's episode, we are due to do another review. We have a Jordan sneaker. It's a collaboration sneaker, and this sneaker is pretty limited and pretty hyped up as well. So without further ado, let me introduce to you the new Air Jordan 4 Union. The Air Jordan 4 Union LA Guava Ice is one of the 4 colorways from the sequel collaboration between Union LA and the Jordan brand. These sneakers dropped on August 29th with a retail price of $250. Back in 2018, the Union LA creative team collaborated with the Jordan 1 silhouette, which created the Jordan Union Los Angeles Blue Toe and the Black Toe. Both these sneakers became the catalyst that brought back the hype to the Jordan brand. Now in 2020, Union LA dropped this new collaboration with the Jordan 4 in the Off Noir and the Guava Ice colorway, the Jordan Delta in the Off Noir, and the Zoom 92 in the Guava Ice colorway. All 4 of these sneakers did sell out instantly on release day exclusively in the Union LA website. But if you guys did miss out on these sneakers, they are re-releasing again on October 16 on the Sneakers app. As usual, we're going to start this review by taking a quick look at the box. As you can see, it comes in this collaboration box. You have that baby blue in the bottom, you have that tan lid, you also have that Michael Jordan's arm printed on top of there in a shooting motion. You also have that scripted Union logo on the top. As you flip the box on the side, you have the size label. This sneaker is a size 8 and the color coding is Guava Ice and Fusion Red. As you open the box, you have a special paper. You have a top view picture of Michael Jordan's head. I believe this picture was taken when he has his first championship run. I'm not really sure. He still has hair here, so I think that's the time when he took his picture, when he first won his championship with the Chicago Bulls. It's a really nice box. I love the color blocking. You have baby blue in there. You have this tan lid. And you have Michael Jordan's arms right here in the shooting motion. I think it's dope. That's all with the box. Let's move on to the sneakers. Alright, let's start with the upper of the sneaker. As you can see, this collaboration is very different because they use different elements, different materials and color blocking on these sneakers. It's mostly made with mesh upper, and you have overlays of this Guava Ice pink suede that wraps around the sneaker from the mudguard back to the heel and up on the lace hoops. And as we move on the lace area of the sneaker, it comes with this neutral colored flat laces, and you have this lace tabs on both sides in red and blue. As we move on the tongue, it's made very differently as well. You have this Air Jordan patch right here, and underneath that patch you have this zigzag stitching right here. It reminds me of that Union ones, but it's very toned down in this sneaker. You remove the stitching, you can make the tongue higher, and it exposes another Jordan tag there with the Jumpman and the Union print. As we move on the back of the sneakers, it comes with this blue rubber pull tab, and you have this pink Nike Air logo on the back. As we go on the insole of the sneaker, it's a blue insole, and you have that pink Jumpman logo right there, and you have that Union print as well. Moving down, the midsole of the sneaker is made with this aged yellow colored rubber midsole, and you have that air unit on the heel of the sneaker. If you flip the sneaker, you have the herringbone pattern that goes across the outsole, and you have this red tag right here. You have the Nike print right on the middle. And also this sneaker comes with 1 extra laces. It comes with these yellow flat laces. And on the left side of the shoe, it comes with this Union Jordan tag right here in blue, and you have that Jumpman print, and you have that Union print as well on this tag. As for sizing, I'm not really sure because this is not my size. This is a size 8, but I'm pretty sure it fits just like other Jordan 4s out there, which is true to size. But if you want room on your toes, as usual, go half a size up. The sneaker right here was pretty easy to cop. Even though it was limited, Union LA website did a good job with the bulk protection. once you got in, they asked you one question. They asked you what color is orange. And I was like, what do you mean what color is orange? Orange, so that's what I put. It kind of confused me for a little bit, but like I got through anyway. But like I put orange. When I got through, there's only a few sizes left because a lot of people grabbed the sneakers and I couldn't get my size, which is a size 10, and I only managed to grab one size, which is a size 8 in this Guava Ice colorway. When I first got this in hand, I'm not really sure how I feel about them yet, because the midsole in this sneaker, I thought it was gonna be an aged midsole, but it's more like a yellow colored midsole. They didn't really try to make it look aged. The suede in this sneaker also, I'm not really feeling that much. This suede is more of a rough suede material. I'm not saying it's a bad quality, it's a pretty good quality suede, but I was expecting like a smooth, buttery suede, but this one's a little rough. Also for a collaboration sneaker, I was expecting to have more leather on the sneaker, because this sneaker is basically made with rubber, mesh, and suede. So I was expecting more premium materials. The thing that I like about this sneaker is the color blocking. I love the bright colors. I love that Guava Ice pink, and I also love this blue and this hyper red right here on the upper. It reminds me of that Union ones, the brighter Union ones, the one with the blue and the red. And also I love the stitching on the tongue. It reminds me of that Union's Jordan ones as well. We also have this Union LA tag on the side. So it gives you that Union element, but more in a toned down version of it. I know a lot of people don't like these sneakers that much, but there are different variations. You can mess with these sneakers, man. If you guys watch Hes Kicks on YouTube, he poked a hole in this ankle flap right here, this translucent ankle flap, and he switched the laces, and also he took off the stitching on the tongue. It looks completely different from the original form. So it's basically a different shoe if you change it up a bit. I think that version looks way better than these. If I'm gonna rate this sneaker, I'm giving this sneaker a 7 out of 10 just because of the fact that it's a collaboration and it's a Union collaboration. They could have executed this way better, but for me, it just looks plain to me. The only thing that's gonna make this shoe look better is by just poking the hole right here, switching the laces, and taking off the stitches on the tongue and make it look like a completely different shoe, just like Hes Kick did. Overall, it's okay. It's pretty plain. I wouldn't pay resale value for this. I'd rather pay resale for the Jordan 1 Unions because those look better to me. Resale value in this sneaker is crazy high, but if you guys do want to cop this, and if you guys have the funds, you can always cop this from your third-party sellers like GOAT, StockX, Stadium Goods, or SneakerCon, or other third-party sellers that you guys trust. Speaking of resale value, let's pull up StockX real quick. As you can see in StockX, this sneaker is selling like crazy. From size 4 to size 9 is going for around $800 to $1,000. From size 9.5 to 12, it's going for around $800 to $1,200. And from size 12.5 and up, it's going from $1,200 to $2,000. So there's definitely a lot of money to be made with these sneakers. But expect the sneakers to go down in value because they are restocking this on the SNRKS app on October 16. That's all I can say about this Union LA. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And also follow me at Instagram at Goggles Review. Next time, guys, for my next episode, we're doing another segment of Sneaker Peek Weekly, where we're gonna talk about upcoming hype releases this coming week. So I'll see you guys in the flip side. Thanks for watching. Peace.